Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy sandwich recipe made without butter, mayonnaise or cream. Ideal as a healthy and filling meal any time of the day. So let's get started with the recipe. For the sandwich filling, I'm using half cup thick cashew curd. I have already made a detailed video on how to make vegan curd with cashew milk, coconut milk and even with almond milk. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. So into a bowl, I'm adding in half cup or about 4 tablespoons of thick homemade curd. Now, if you don't have any issues with dairy milk curd, you can use dairy milk curd in this recipe. 1/3 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. Half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. 1 green chilli finely chopped. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Now this is the size of the green chilli I used. This is a local variety green chilli known as Kandari Mulaga in Malayalam, also known as peri peri green chilli or bird's eye green chilli. It is relatively more spicier than ordinary green chilli. Hence I used only 1 bird's eye green chilli. 1/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. To make this filling more nutrient dense, I am grating in 1 medium-sized amla. Amla is also known as Indian gooseberry and it's a good source of vitamin C and also helps to boost your immunity. I am grating in the amla. Instead of fresh amla, you can use 1/4 teaspoon amla powder or even use salted amlas. I have already shared how to make salted amla. Please do check it out. The links will be updated below this video. And I'm giving this all a good mix. Next I'm adding in 1 medium-sized carrot grated, 2 medium-sized tomato de-seeded and chopped, 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. Now instead of the vegetables I'm using, you can use any vegetable of your choice. You can also use green leafy vegetables of your choice. Now give this all a good mix and my dahi sandwich filling is ready. Now again the best thing about this sandwich filling is that you can make ahead this and store it in an airtight glass container and it will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. To make green chutney, into my small chutney grinder I'm adding in a small piece of ginger, 3 small peri peri green chilies, also known as Kandari Mulaga in Malayalam. Green chili you can increase or decrease as per your taste. 1/3 teaspoon black pepper powder. This is freshly ground black pepper powder. Squeeze in 1 whole lemon, a handful of mint leaves, 2 sprigs or a large handful of fresh coriander leaves. I am just stirring the coriander leaves roughly and adding it in. Half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. Half teaspoon sea salt or as needed. And I'm going to blend all this really well into a chutney consistency. And my green chutney is ready. I'm going to transfer this to another bowl. The best thing about green chutney is that you can make ahead and store it in an airtight glass container and it will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. So this way it's an ideal way to meal prep. For the sandwich, I'm using 2 slices of sourdough sandwich bread. Spread the green chutney on both slices of the bread. Place a generous amount of the prepared filling covered with the other slice and lightly press it down. To make the tadka toast, I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm drizzling in 1 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can also use A2 desi ghee. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seed starts to splutter, add in a few curry leaves on top. Place the bread slice on top and I like to place something heavy like a skillet on top. This will help to seal the filling and also will help to evenly toast the bread slice. 2 minutes later, remove the skillet from top. Drizzle a little bit of wood pressed groundnut oil on the bread slice. Couple of curry leaves on top. Lightly press down. Carefully flip it over. Place the skillet back on top and allow that side to get toasted as well. 2 minutes later, remove the skillet from top and my Dahi Tadka sandwich is ready to serve. So guys, you try this healthy Dahi Tadka sandwich and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.